What we do is after we've killed a few pigeons, we put them up on the posts there because their feathers are more realistic than our plastic decoys, so that helps a little bit.
I don't know, man. There's got to be something wrong with this.
This is fun. You need to wait, relax, and the moment to shoot, hit them, and enjoy your shooting.
Más cartuches, por favor! Anytime you nick that sucker, you gotta keep popping caps till he hits the dirt.
Robert, you think you could go out there and move that cow?
Watch this.
He took care of that, didn't he? I didn't even need to send one of my bird boys out after him.
It's day 3. We are decoy pigeon shooting. These are wild pigeons. They're big. They're like a 2-pound bird and they're tough as nails. It's been an amazing morning. As you see, it's been non-stop action. It's not as crazy intense as a dove hunt, but it's got the same feel as a duck hunt. You know, we're hunting over decoys. You gotta really keep down. If they see you, they're gonna flare. It's just a great time. I actually prefer this over the dove hunting. I think I'm gonna bring some Chinese stars next time. This dog's named Luna. Luna. Come here. You gotta love bird hunting with a dog. It makes it so much more interactive. And you watch that dog hunt. I know for me, I grew up dog hunting. And you're so proud to see your dog working. And when you've got your friends around, you're bragging on your dog and you just see them working so hard and whoa, lock up. So we're gonna go out and hunt Perdiz. These birds are unique to this area. We're in Western Uruguay. They're more prolific here than anywhere else in the world. Ryan Klesko's in the back. He's changing up the chokes on those Beretta shotguns. Need a more open pattern because it's gonna be closer, tighter shots. And we're gonna go get on it. Ain't that right?
Of course, my friend.
Of course, my friend.
Let's go.
I don't know if that was you or me, but it was one of us. Luna, Luna, come here. Give me the bird. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you. Here you go, Ryan. Nice shot, buddy. Get him, Bobby.
Luna. Hey, coming. Yeah, very good.
God. Now, who just missed right there? Mr. Klesko. Dear.
Good.
Adelante. Like that. Well, just got done Perdiz hunting. Got my spot. I'm gonna send a message back to the house telling everybody that I'm all right. Said okay. There it goes. The green lights flash. Instantly, everybody back home gets an email, and they can go online and see exactly where I'm at right now. And as always, if something bad were to have happened, everybody can find out. Help is not far away. But to get help, they got to know you need help. That's why I've got Spot, always and everywhere. Watch, 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 watch. Oh! That was one of them. the end of our second dove hunt, and I am out of breath. I would say there's no doubt about it that I killed more doves in between yesterday and today, just 2 afternoon hunts, than in my entire life combined. There's millions and millions and millions of them. This morning we got up, had an amazing decoying pigeon shoot. Then we went out and hunted the Perdiz. The Perdiz were very, very challenging. Well, as soon as we were done with that, we literally headed straight for the dove field. And as soon as we got here, it was non-stop action. This is wing shooting at its very, very best. Uruguay.
Dude, I got a Scotch double!
Everyone thinks of Argentina. Well, Uruguay is just to the east of Argentina, and it's virgin hunting ground. There's no outfitters here except for Los Gauchos Outftters, and they do an amazing job. The guys that run, pick up the birds, give you shells, they're the nicest people you'd ever want to be around. And if you want to go on a bird hunt, an all-around bird hunt, duck, dove, pigeon, Perdiz.
Nice shot!
I would look no farther than South America. I'd come down here to Uruguay, and I'd book myself a hunt of a lifetime. If you want to go fishing while you're here, the golden dorado are amazing. Beautiful fish, great fighters, great fun. So you come down here and have a cast and blast. Shoot you a bunch of birds, catch you a bunch of fish, make memories of a lifetime. Tell your friends about it. Bring them along. But that's about it. I'm packing it up. Going home. Soda apples. See ya.